Part 2. This is Karl F. Rose, recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania, on Tuesday, August 20th, 2019. And are you someone who's having troubles with thumbnails or something? Or if that's the case, if you're looking for some information on YouTube thumbnails and thumbnail making, I've got information for you right after this. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, well, let's get into this. I had to turn off the fan. I think I had some really loud fan noise in the background here. Anyway, what I have here as far as thumbnails go and thumbnail making for YouTube, I have a Facebook group. It's called YouTube Thumbnail Group. And then you got the button down here. That'll take you to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber. Let me just show you here. You click the little button there, and that should take you directly to my YouTube channel. Let's go right into there here. Yeah, see. I've got a number of things going on my computer, so and there we go. They go right to my YouTube channel. Anyway, let's get out of that. Anyway, so yeah, if you're looking for thumbnails, I do a lot of thumbnails, and I do a lot of editing with GIMP every single day. It's just what I do. But these are recent. I haven't made a thumbnail post lately here in my group. I have one question for this group, but these are the most recent posts I have. I only allow thumbnail posts in the comments, and I have one question to anyone who wants to join, and the question is whether or not you're willing to abide by YouTube community guidelines and all things related to YouTube. Anything, in other words, no spamming, no sub for sub, nothing graphically that would violate YouTube terms, anything like that. But what here you're looking at. Two of my most recent and two of my really more favorite thumbnails that I've made personally. I'm always looking to get better at my thumbnails, and I'm willing to help people. And so the reason I mention my group is because the more members I get into this group will determine how often I do these YouTube tutorials and thumbnail tutorials and that sort of thing. So that's what I'm looking for, and I just wanted to let everyone know here. That's what I'm doing here. This group is all YouTube thumbnails, and the group must abide by all YouTube policies, community guidelines, and any kind of policy related to YouTube. And any violation will get you removed from this group. So that's really the nuts and bolts of it, and I'm looking forward to seeing new members and seeing what you can come up with, and I will be doing more videos like this, and I'll go into my GIMP process, and I'll show you how to set up a template and make your thumbnails there. Etc., etc., etc. I have made a video on that in the past using GIMP, but I'm going to get more involved and more into it. So if you like these sort of videos, be sure to click on the subscribe link in the button in the description below. Hit the bell notification, and also be sure to leave a comment and what kind of tutorials you want to see and that sort of thing, and I will get onto it as quickly as possible. And until then, we'll talk to you later, and have a good day.